So it's a very impromptu live from me just to remind you that your content is not the same as social media. And whilst the two are related, yes, they are, they're not the same. So your content might be your audio, your written, your visual, anything that you basically use to communicate useful information, value, edutainment, inspiration, humor, right? That's the content. But the social media is actually the vehicle that transports all of that good stuff you're churning out. And I just came to say that if you are someone who is actively creating content day after day, I'm talking infographics, images, quotes, maybe you're someone who's downloaded a whole pack of templates and you feel it's a priority that you use absolutely every template before the year's out, I just want to say to you, focus on what's really important, okay? If I'm honest, a lot of us are more concerned with likes and comments and all of the aesthetically related stuff, more so than we are the value and also things like conversions and, you know, speaking to people that are actually likely to either refer business to us or become a lead or, you know, just make contact with us and potentially become a sale. And I think if we lose the plot in the sense that our whole entire energy is about being visible, showing up, posting, sharing, lives, what's going to happen is you'll find that in terms of outcomes, you may not get the outcomes you want. And I'm going to say most of you, if you're on social media and you have a business, should have some kind of objective to make money online. However, not everybody, and that's fine. But the majority of us that want to grow a business and generate income for our business will be most concerned with trying to sell online. Now, if you are struggling with selling online, then we need to have a conversation, because what I share with my clients who work with me on programs and one-to-one, and even through the work I do within my company as a social media management agency, where we actually get real results rather than just churning out content for clients, is that you need to be clear on a strategy, even if it's a simple one. So today, I'm just encouraging you to look at your insights, make sense of what you're doing, be clear on what content you're sharing, but make everything fit together. Some of you have got way too much content and still looking to produce even more, when actually we should be looking at getting a simple strategy together to ensure that you are getting the outcomes you want, whether that's leads, sales, new connections, that's up to you. But all of this posting every day and going live every 5 minutes, unless that's part of your strategy and you've already seen results from doing that, try it and test it. If it doesn't work, try something else. It makes absolutely no sense you consistently doing the same things over and over again, even if you are being visible, unless you're seeing the results. Okay, and if you're not seeing the results, that's where change needs to come in. If you want to find out what I'm doing at the moment, what projects I'm working on, or even some of the courses and events I've got coming up, click on the events tab or comment below with the word events and I'll send you a link. Take care and I'll speak soon. Remember, content is not the same as social media. They're related, but they're not the same. Speak soon.